If you want to have more loyal customers, this is the secret. I learned this from being a loyal Apple user for over a decade. I tried na lumipat sa Samsung pero nahirapan ako. Eventually, bumalik din ako sa Apple. Kahit mas advanced o mas nauna pa ang features ng iba, I stuck with Apple. And most likely, yung mga Apple users makarelate din dito. Kasi kapag mag-iPhone ka, susunod na yan. MacBook, iWatch, iPad, lahat ng notes at photos mo nasa iCloud. Isang airdrop lang, lipat na ang files. It's just so convenient and hassle-free pag Apple lahat yung products mo. But there's actually a deeper reason why it's so hard to leave. It's what I call the pain of disconnect. Kapag sinubukan mong lumipat sa Windows or Android, dun maramdaman mo yung inconvenience or hirap talaga. Napaka-inconvenient at mag-transfer ng device, calendar at ng mga files. And this is the lesson. You win in business when you make it hard for people to leave than to stay. Kapag nagsimula na silang gamitin ang product o service mo, you wanna make it inconvenient for your customers na lumipat sa competitor. This way, kahit ikaw pa ang pinakamahal sa market, mas pipiliin nilang magpatuloy sa pagbabayad sa'yo. Because remember, clients leave because you made it convenient for them to leave. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.